Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
The first step in making a light brown shade is to add a small amount of red paint on the palette. After that, add blue and yellow paint, but make sure that these three paints are in equal amounts. Mix all the colors well with a palette knife or brush until you get a rich brown color.
Take our lead.
To create a light brown color using primary colors, place equal amounts on your palette. Combine the red, blue, and yellow colors using a palette knife or your brush until it reaches a brown color. You can include a tiny amount of white to make the brown lighter.
Let's help you make your mark.
To make dark brown, mix any pure red in with black or ultramarine blue. Another popular recipe for brown is to mix complementary colors, such as orange and blue or yellow and purple. Add titanium white to any brown to make light brown.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.